So hi everyone, today we are going to see one assembly language program using which we are going to find whether the number is positive or negative. So let's see the question, that is, write an assembly language program to find if the number stored in memory location 4000H is negative or not. If the number is negative, store the negative number to 3000H. So in the 4000H, some data is stored. In the 4000H, some data is stored, and we have to find whether the data which is stored in the 4000H is negative or not. If the number is negative, in that case we have to move the data to 3000H. So first of all, assume that if the data stored in the 4000H is 0, data stored in the 4000H is 0. Okay, so let's first move this data to the accumulator, because in the memory location we cannot directly check whether the data is negative or positive. To process, we have to transfer this data to the microprocessor. So let's load this data to accumulator. We will use the instruction that is LDA 4000H. When we execute the instruction LDA 4000H, the data will be moved to the accumulator. So in the accumulator, the 4000H will be stored. After moving, we will check whether the number is positive or negative. But you know that the 0 is neither positive nor negative. So there is a possibility that the data which is stored in the memory location can be 0. So before checking positive or negative, we have to check whether the number is 0 or not. If the number is not 0, in that case we are going to check for positive or negative. If the number is 0, in that case we will stop the program, because the data is neither positive or negative. So to check whether the number which is in the accumulator is 0 or not, we will use the instruction that is CPI00H. CPI00H, it means the comparison between 00H and the accumulator will be done. If the data in the accumulator in the 00H is equal, in that case the 0 flag will be set. So when 0 flag will be set, it means the data in the accumulator is 0. In that case, we have to stop the program. We are not going to check whether the number is negative or positive. So when the 0 flag is set, we will use the instruction jump 0 end. And what is end? End means the halt instruction. It means the program ends here. We will not check whether the number is positive or negative. Let's see the second case. The number which is stored in the 4000H is positive. Suppose the data is 19H. Again, the same instruction LDA 4000H. So data will be moved to the accumulator 19H. We will compare with 00H. Now we know that because the 0 and 19 is not equal, it means 0 flag will not be set. So the program will not end. So when 0 flag is not set, we will check whether the number is negative or positive. So to check whether the number is negative or positive, we will perform some operation on the accumulator. Before doing that, let's represent this number into binary. So 1 means 0, 0, 0, 1. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. Now how to know if the number is negative or positive? We have to check the MSB. If the value of the MSB is 0, it means the number is positive. If the value of the MSB is 1, it means it is negative. So right now the number is positive. But by just transferring the data in the accumulator, no flag will be set, because in the data transfer instruction, no flags are set. So by transferring, after that we have to process this data. So what we are going to do is we will rotate the content of accumulator left side. So let's use the instruction rotate the content of accumulator left side. When we perform this instruction, the MSB will be transferred to carry. Now the carry flag is 0. Now you tell me, when the value of the carry flag is 0, in that case what we are going to do? We will end our program, because we have to transfer the data to 3000H when the number is negative. So when the number is positive, when the carry is not set, we will jump to end. So after rotating, when the carry is not set, we will use the instruction jump not carry. When the carry is not set, we will jump to end. So we will jump to end, this program is end. Now let's see the third case. Suppose the number stored is negative, AA-H. Let's see the whole program from the beginning. So NDA 4000H, this data will be moved to the accumulator. Let's represent it as a binary. After that CPI 00H, if we compare, the zero flag will not set, so we will not jump to end. If zero flag is not set, so the sequence will be followed, so RL will be executed. When RL executed, in the carry we will get 1. After that, we can see that the jump not carry end. So after rotating, if carry is not generating, we will jump to end. But in this example, the carry is generated. So we will not jump to end, but we will follow the sequence. So tell me, when the carry is generated, what we have to do? When the carry is generated, we have to transfer the data to the 3000H. But if you notice, because we have performed the rotate operation, left side, the data is changed. So we have to change the data again so that it will be in the original form. So we will use the instruction RAR. So when we use the instruction RAR, this carry will be shift here and all the bits will be again shift back. So in the accumulator we will get the original data. After shifting, we will store the data into which memory location? HTA 3000H. So this is how the program is done. Now you have to solve by yourself. You have to check whether the number is positive or not. Okay? And do it yourself. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And this is it. Thank you.